Okay, good afternoon. It's Tuesday, as it was in the last video. Nothing's changed, but this is a new video, so I'll catch you again in a sec. Right, today I'm going to go a different way. I walked this way with Mike. We didn't have the camera at that time, but this time I'm taking the camera and show you something a little bit different. So right, this is Ambassador Sweets, which is right near us. That ding-a-ding-ding and that bike is the ice cream. Hindi po. So anyway, I'm going to walk this way for a change. Just I've only ever walked down here once. And I thought I'd do something a little bit different. I noticed on the last video I was a bit skewy with the camera. That's because of the way I was holding it. So I've gone back to holding it on the handle. Some nice houses down here. They're apartments. Rather nice apartments, huh? And coming up in a minute is something sort of well known in Angeles. It's Kandi Towers. It's very upmarket suites, hotel rooms. It's got a bar, it's got swimming pools. All this used to be shut off. It's all sort of opened up a bit now. Bit of a farm selling anything and everything. I bet they do fresh eggs. So anyway, this is Kandi Towers. Oh, nice bike. Couple of nice bikes. A lot of Americans live here. One of these days I'm going to visit the bar. It's open to everyone. Never really think about it. And this is all Kandi as well. There's their villas. Afternoon. Still Kandi Towers. It is a large expanse. Septic tank disposal. This is where the mark goes. And then that's the car park. The Kandi Towers. As I say, there is a lot of residents as well in there, as well as in a hotel. And a lot of security. We've got Kandi Tower 1, 2 and 3, this is 3. So one of these days I'm going to go in there. What I'm going to do is going to walk down one way and I might be coming back. Hindi po. Salamat. It's not far, really. This basically takes you down to the Manabas Road, Manabanias Road. That was Flora Street. I walked down, and I have no idea the name of this street, but as is normal, it will be up top. Last time I came down here, everything down here was shut. It looks like it's all sort of opening up again now. So just there at the end, that's the road that you've seen when I've done my boat rides and everything else. That takes us back down to the Manabanias Road. This used to be blocked off, this road. I think I walked down there and I actually still hadn't been open before. So I'm not going to walk any further down. We'll turn around and go back up again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cross over. I see one of the things I will get used to when I get back to England is looking the other way. I've got Sue's looking right then left. Pushing left and right. Whatever, the opposite to England. Looks like this is opened up again. Let's have a look, shall we? See if it is open. Yeah, perhaps it's not. It actually says outside, open, dine in. But that could well be another sign. No, it's from 4 p.m. dining. 4 to 8. It seems to be the norm that everything has to be shut by 8 at the moment. Because as I said, we don't know what the curfew really is. 1 minute it's 9 o'clock and then it's 11 o'clock. And very soon it all goes back to, well, we hope on the 15th we're going to get released a little bit more. Which is basically about a week's time. Yeah, it is about a week. Today's the 7th. No, it's a week tomorrow. Next Wednesday. But we'll see. As you know, from this is a lot of this was all closed. It's nice to see it all start to open up. But then when you ride around, which isn't going to happen for a little while yet, because I no longer have a bike. That's another story. But yeah, when you ride around, you notice there's still a lot of the guys have kept it shut off. And talking to people, you know, the guys still holding a little bit of power and having a 5 o'clock curfew. That goes into another guy, which is open now. The other one was shut off before. I've no idea what that guy is. And I don't really care. I say everything is starting to open up except for the bars. A lot of the hotels seem to be reopening. They haven't really got any guests. There's a lot of building work all started up again. There's construction work over here. In fact, we started calling that in England, haven't we? Construction. A very American term. As you notice, I'm walking the road, this is quite normal. The temperature, incidentally, for those who it's summer in England, it's probably could be about 26, 27 degrees. Not much, it's night time in England, but the temperature at the moment is probably about 38, 39. Oh, we're kind of walking up. Just thought I'd show you something a bit different. Otherwise I end up showing you all at the same time, same thing. Which I try to avoid, because I don't want to be too repetitive. It's okay as things open. Again, I don't know the name of this road, but it will be above my head by the time you see this. because good old Google Maps is telling me what the name of the road is. Oh, actually, it's not Narciso Street. Of course it is, yeah, it's the road that goes all the way up to the top. So there you go, I won't put that one up. It's Narciso Street. That was a 7-Eleven, so a lot of 7-Elevens were sort of shut down. Long before the lockdown, they shut down. I think with 7-Eleven, it sort of flooded the place. And there's so many of them, and only so much trade, especially during the lockdown. Because the 7-Elevens really make a lot of their trade from tourists. How to repair things. Okay, we come up to our road now. Oh, you know, that's funny enough, I don't know the name of that road. The amount of times I walk down, I never realise what the name is. I would have to remember to put that one up though. Yeah, so you know where we are now. Right, I'm going to switch off for a minute and decide where I'm going to go with you. Just had to walk round to the two brothers, and a slight misunderstanding yesterday. Bobby Boot's still shut. Slight lost in translation. They haven't had the inspection yesterday. It's today. That's what you're waiting for now, and then hopefully open tomorrow. Bob's bar still shut. No signs or anything on that one. So we're going to walk down here. Just have a little walk down here, and then this is a different road. Never ever walked down this one. But basically it's the back of the ABC Hotel and Crime City Resort. Obviously I showed you the front one yesterday and a few other times. This is the back of it all. Truth be told, I've just walked this road, coming the other way, and did a commentary like I'm doing now, and I hadn't switched the camera on. God, senile moment. Senior moment. See, I'm getting old now, folks. So that's the red doors, and until I walked down here earlier on, I've never ever seen that one before. This is a little restaurant in SML next to NBC Peso, which isn't bad. Very tempted to have one. When I walked up before, the two girls said hello. But you missed all of that because I didn't have the bloody camera switched on. Normally I look for the flashing light and I forgot to look for it. Because I have a habit of not pushing the button. Or not pushing it hard enough or whatever. I mean, how long have I had this camera? 2 years now, I think. And I still make it up. So, right. That's the ABC, which you've seen from my place. And just up there is the disco and the bar garden. Garden bar. Bar garden. And then, because that's Prime City. Just over there. What time is it? Let's see what time it is. Yeah, so it's 2 o'clock. What should we do? Let's kill some time. I think it's sun's past the yard arm. It is somewhere in the world, and it definitely is over here. So we'll go for a beer in the Bar Stops, I think. See, that's the next one here. It's actually open. And there's this one that I've never been in with you before. But I'll cover the camera for a minute because you know this bit. Oh no, I won't. I'll let it go. Check that I haven't got to it. Just do a double check, make sure I haven't actually recorded. Can't believe I've done that again. I've never done it without switching it on though. It's the first time I've done that. But I will kill the camera and all around here because he's cool and he's good. Show you this, look. Right in the middle. Okay, right, I will kill the camera now. It's never going to open again. Angel's Bakery. We went yesterday. More bread. Lovely bread in there too. Never try and get to English bread there. 80 pesos for a large loaf of whole wheat brown bread. And no sugar like all the bread over here. Like everything, they put sugar in everything over here. There it's proper brown bread. Okay, so this is the front of the ABC. You've just seen the back and this is the front. Pretty empty at the moment. We walked down here last night. We walked down here a lot of times. But that's where we're going. Last night. For a bit. Don't want to drink this early today. I've been walking around this heat. I think I deserve it. Okay, so that was a nice cold SMB in there. This is outside of Brass Knobs. So that's the Don Duco Avenue which leads into Fields Avenue. And we'll have another little walk around in a minute. We're going to go somewhere different. I thought of somewhere to go. So catch you again in a second. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk around the Cherries Bar. I haven't walked around there a long time with the camera. And we'll see if everything's open along there. Instead you can see the hat. David, Ron, and any of you other guys from the RAA. Should be nice. Miss you guys. Seriously, miss all of you. Anyway, right, so I'm going to turn the camera off now because the walk I'm doing, first of all, I've done yesterday, today, and God knows when else. So, but I'll catch you again when I'm back in Walking Street. I just suddenly remembered, I meant to say right at the beginning, in case anybody's wondering where Mike is, any of Mike's family is watching this. As Mike's family knows, he managed to come off his bike again the other day. I wasn't with him this time, so it wasn't my fault. He was a bit drunk and went over a speed bump and come off it. And he has got a very bruised arse. Very bruised to it, liver. And he can't walk very far. He's recovered from it now. It happened about 5-6 days ago. And he's bruised his coccyx, which is basically what your tailbone is. And consequently, he's hobbling around. So he doesn't go very far unless he goes again on the scooter. So that's why I'm walking around on my own and not with Mike. Right, catch you again in a sec. Okay, so we're coming to Walking Street, past Phillies, and then NB. And there's young Mario. Good afternoon, Mario. Yeah. You busy?
Get the gun?
Of course.
There we go. Carry on, carry on.
I'll have one on the way back in here. See you in a minute, mate. Oh, I'm on that step. Right, so there's Walking Street. We've walked down here quite a few times. So it's basically Fields Avenue, but commonly known as Walking Street. Because after 3:30, it is, as you already know, no cars allowed or bikes or anything. Pedestrian only. Not that it makes a difference at the moment, because as you can see, as it is every time we come down here, very shut off. That one actually looks like it's all being done up. I know I say it every time I come down here, but it's terrible to see it like this. This was such a lively place. Kokomos is still... It is open, I think. Yes, it is open. Kokomos is open. But we'll have a walk in here. This is a Sunset Street. I'm sure I've said it before. Lady Boys. A Central Street is famous for its Lady Boys, or infamous for its Lady Boys. Along where the street goes. Oh, nice cool streets.
Yes. It's the corner.
It's like the poker room is open. Have one open. No. Well, Gastro Pub is still not open. The Black Parisian meeting, whether that's open or not. Same thing at Apris. Niagara. One never knows who these places are open or not. This is all back work leading, it's a construction site. It's all very reminiscent of the days when it was open. Or working, rather, before the lockdown. It's got the internet cafe now open yet. That's pretty late. And we go to Flora Street, which everybody, any of my regulars know so well. I started my venture in Engels. Seems a long time ago that I was in Silver Street. And around the cherries, which is nicely open.
Steve!
Hello!
How are you?
I'm very well. Hello, John.
There you go, buddy.
What you done to your hair?
Hey?
Your hair's changed colour.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
He's
Hello.
making guapo.
Is that what he's doing? He's being guapo?
He's making guapo.
There you go. Good.
What's this one para? Nothing?
Okay.
For those that don't know, guapo means handsome. It was a nice cup of beer and a beer. 50 pesos a throw. 5 peso, but you deal with a wobbly boo, but hey ho, I like it here. I don't like it here, I like it in Cherrylow. Silver Street, I can take or leave. A lot of good memories, a lot of bad memories, Silver Street. Right, so anyway, let's walk back down again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to walk up Silver Street, then along MacArthur. Okay, this crossover. Shore Stay Great Western, which we've seen loads of times. Everything's starting to open up here as well, look. Hairdressers. The shoe store's back now. Hello boy, bet you don't remember me. And there's where we used to live. I used to live. 114 Surf Street. exercise clinic still not open. Still track. Oh, so that's no longer a restaurant. It's now a shop. I do remember before the lockdown they was doing all the work there. That clinic's open. The laundrette's back open. Best shawarma in Angelis. A lovely shawarma in there. Let's see what's open over there. Okay, so this is on MacArthur, which my red reviews I've seen so many times. Going back to the old days of being very busy. Scratching on that one if you want to. Looks like Sullivan's is open. It's quite normal, but a pretty much walk on the road. Just what, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? There was nothing out here. These roads were empty. Johnny's, which has been in with me before. Again, that's a real regular view. There's your trikes around. And there's all the jeeps in the back. It's quite strange actually because a few weeks ago they clamped down all the illegal trikes and got taken off the road. So we'd think there'd be a lot less trikes. But there seems to be more than ever now. Police around. Traffic police, PMP. So back you can see now it's traffic police. For a long time you never saw them around. So we come back round to Walking Street, the other end. Then we're walking next to Walking Street now. Probably back at the end of Walking Street. Paradise, what used to be Bretto's. Recommend Paradise Bar. I like to give them a plug. As we can see, I mean now, this is the strange thing, and again, I know I'm repeating myself, I say this every video. But we'd be walking down here even this time of day, it's about 20 past 3. And all this stuff would be open. And there'd be a lot of girls around. As you can see, everything is shut. High Society. Oh, that's open now. I did hear rumours High Society was opening up. Could be worth having a little look in there, but not now. Just remember to pass on that information. High Society is now open. It's so really quiet. As I say, it's nearly 3:30. This we're all just starting to liven up now. Because the tourists will all be just getting out of bed. Ready to start again. Familiar sound in England. Don't hear it so much over here as you do in England, sirens. And the police very rarely sound sirens. The Cookamus is open. As you know, I've filmed from there a few times. Right, so I've done the full circle. I'm going to end it here. I'm going to end the video here, and she'll get back now and I'll edit this and probably get this up today. So 2 in 1 day again. And anything else happens, or if I do something else, I'll put another video up at some point. But till things change, which is on the 15th. Until then, it's bye-bye. I can't remember if I did the proper ending. Anyway, I've just been into JJ supermarket and bought a litre of Emperador, which is brandy. Philippine brandy, 135 pesos, which in English is about £2. So £2 a litre. You can't odds that, can you really? So anyway, if I didn't do the proper ending, the last one, here's the proper ending now. Usual stuff, please watch my videos, this one and all the others. If you haven't watched them already, please give me a thumbs up. And if possible, leave a comment. Always love comments. Don't get that many of them, so comments are always welcome. And I'll catch you all again soon. Bye. And share. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Catch you all again soon.
Thanks for watching my YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.